Hi, my name is Ken Wong. I am a civil engineer and land surveyor. This session is a follow-up of my recent YouTube program, The Number One Culprit, Why Homes Slide Down the Hills. When you read the title, a question must pop up in your mind. What is the number 2 culprit then? Surprise, the number 2 is the same as the number 1, at least for Rolling Hill Estate area. That is my opinion. People blame the heavy rain for sliding, but it is the last straw that breaks the camel's back, so to speak. On November 19, 2023, Grace TOOHEY of Los Angeles Times published an article about the Rolling Hill Estate landslide. You can search the article and read it in its entirety. She mentioned 2 geotech companies prepared 2 reports with different conclusions. A portion of the article is on the screen. I have prepared a list of factors contributing landslides and also recommendations to prevent a landslide for your information. The takeaway: if you are considering buying a hillside property, the contents of the last slide will provide you with some basic information. Consult a geotech engineer when in need. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumb up, tell a friend. Goodbye.